All right. Welcome. We back again, once again, time and time again, my friends. And it is Monday, December the 26th. Um, Not much going on. A lot of banks are observing the holiday today, so not really much movement in the market. So we're going to keep this one extremely short because a lot of the same things apply from the last live stream, which I do every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday in between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're interested in something like that, just having a place to chill, talk about all things trading, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, do all the extra fancy things down there as well. Make sure you're tapped in so you don't miss any of this free education. Now, make sure you do drop me a thumbs up for the consistency. And that's what I want to highlight or talk about today is showing up is 90% of it, man. In almost anything you do in life, just showing up, just actually pulling up, being ready, and having the opportunity, giving yourself the opportunity to actually do the thing that you want to do is majority of the battle. Once you get there and you pull up consistently day after day after day after day, then it becomes routine, and then you start to see the results as well. How do you expect to get better at something if you don't practice at it? So basically, that's all it is, and you have to stay diligent in your practice. So staying consistent and staying diligent, knowing that you're doing it for a purpose in the long run, not something short term where you don't see the results immediately. So you get frustrated and just give up, knowing that right now, what you're doing, the way you're practicing, the consistency and the habits you're building now are what's going to equal the success that you find later. So I always bring it back to sports. Another example is whether it's any sport, it doesn't matter. Baseball, basketball, football, soccer, hockey, it doesn't matter. Oftentimes, players practice because they were bad or they weren't performing at the level that they know that they can perform at. So they actually practice diligently, focused and intently to try to get better. And then say 30 days go by and then they start to see the results or play to the potential that they know that they can play to, or even better. And a lot of times what often happens is they stop doing the practice that they were doing for the first 30 days now that they've reached the success. And then it starts a downhill trend. So just know that you're practicing now for the later results. And when those later results come, you can look back and say, hey, I've been doing this consistently pulling up to the market, looking at the charts, going over, reviewing, following my trading plans day in and day out. Now I can see that after 4 months, I'm getting better in this aspect of my trading, or I'm starting to see results here, or now I'm gone from a losing trader to a break-even trader, and it's only taken 4 or 5 months, 3 months, 6 months, 8 months, 2 years. But once you start to see the consistency and the habits start to form in themselves, you'll start to see the results, and you can attribute that to the previous things that you've done. So don't quit. Once you start to see results, start to see success, do not stop. Continue to do the things that got you there. Just overall, hope everyone had a happy holiday, had a Merry Christmas. Looking forward to the new year, new beginnings, new opportunities as well. So looking forward to that, but I don't see too much in the chat. So once again, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday in between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, do host these live streams where we go over the market and just look at possible opportunities over the next coming days throughout the week. Make sure you're subscribed with the post notifications turned on. And I hope everyone had a happy holidays. It's going to continue to have more enjoyment of the holidays coming up next week, this weekend as well. Might be a chill week, not doing too much as far as trading, just reviewing, going back over things. But other than that, I'm going to get up out of here. Hope everyone is having a profitable day on and off the charts. And until next time.